Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday the 13th. Perfectly spooky for this Halloween memory decks card series that we're doing. So I'm collaborating along with Armene, Happy Mail Queen, and we're doing memory decks cards every week until Halloween. And so far, this is week 2. Last week the theme was Shake It Up, so we created a couple of Shaker Memory Decks cards. These are the ones that I created, and I do have a video, so you can check those out a little bit closer if you like. And this week is week 2, and the prompt for this week was Charm It. So this is my Memory Decks card this week, and I think it turned out so cute. I've been wanting to make something like this for a while. It was completely inspired by Adriana J. Alvarez. She's the first one I've seen doing like a lot of this really cute chain dangle on a lot of her projects, and then of course Shara Crane, and most recently I was inspired by Michelle. She is M1924 Crafts on Instagram, and she used this die here, and she made some really cute embellishments for Halloween. She added fangs and some spooky words, Halloween words and things, so it reminded me that I had this die in my stash and I still had not used it. And that I should create something fun with it. So this is my card, and it's more simple. I didn't do too much layering, but I did pop up the lips, and I used like this patent leather type of paper that I have in my stash, super shiny for the lips, and I think it turned out so cute. So, and then I just added some little eyelets and dangled a chain across the lips. And my top charm here is a little spider and a black bead. And down here, I thought it was so fun, I decided to give her something to sip on. So there's a little pink boba tea down here, and a little jack-o'-lantern, and another little frosted bead there. And then I just added some little bling, black bling here and on the lips too. I don't know if you can see these. So this is my Memory Decks card for this week, and I only have one this week. I'm just had some changes to my work schedule, and then also my son went back to school, so that's all I had time for. So I'll share the dies that I used, and also I almost couldn't decide. It's such a cute die. I wanted to do something like this at first with pink glittery foam, and I thought it would look super cute too. What do you think? But I had to go with the black, the super shiny black one out. So there's that. And I used this die here. I think it is from KS Craft, almost positive, but it makes a bag topper. And I also used another, well, the Memory Decks card base die. I don't have it out, but it's just a regular Memory Decks card base. And then what I did was I trimmed around the top a little bit where it was poking out to so it wouldn't stick out over the top of the lips. So that's it. So this is my little Memory Decks card, and I think it turned out so cute. I hope you like it. And if you are following along and creating something along with us, there's a hashtag. I'll put that in the description box below. And for next week, just to get some ideas going, I think the prompt is what is it? Shapeshifter. So shaped Memory Decks cards. And be sure to check out Armene, Happy Mail Queen. I'll link her in the description box below too, her channel, so you can check out her cards. And I think she's on a roll, so she may have lots of fun ideas to share this week. So there you go. Thanks for stopping by. Happy Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.